What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about overall stock market, and now let's dive right into it with Dow, which is down 0.12%, Nasdaq down 0.45%, and S&P down 0.16% on the day. And here on these groups we have on top energy, basic materials, consumer cyclical, industrials, utilities. On bottom, communication services, technology, healthcare, and real estate. And if you look at the stock market map, we got Tesla down 1.5%, Amazon down 0.89%, and Google down again 1.63%, Meta down 1.44%, Nvidia down close to 1%, also AMD down 2.5%, Microsoft down 0.72%, and Apple only down 0.57% on the day. And now we're going to look at SPY ETF. So on SPY, we actually got nothing but low volume and a lot of chop today, guys. Once again, coming down to 393, holding that as a support. Now we also have daily 200-day and also daily 20-day moving period sitting at 393. So that is a strong support. And now we got kind of a doji here, indecision candle on SPY. So I think a big move is coming very soon, and that could be coming going into next month. So on SPY, if you look at my screen, we have strong support at 393, and below that watch out for 390, and then possibly will come down to 383 to even 380. To the upside, we need to get over, especially right here, guys, 399 to 400, and this down trend line will break. And once we break 400, nothing stopping SPY from going all the way up to 408. As long as we stay above 393, it's looking bullish. It's just a matter of time. Soon as we break 400, we're going to see this rally continuing to the upside. But also keep that in mind that 393 and 390, a big key level here on SPY. And soon as we take out these levels down here, we're going to see sell-off here on SPY. Right now, today, look at this, guys. Volume is not even there. Low volume here on SPY and absolutely going nowhere. Pretty much a flat day, only down 0.21%. That is absolutely nothing. 84 cents for the day. So SPY here, we will find out very soon. Above 400, we're going to see a breakout. Below 390, we're going to see a breakdown on SPY, and then we'll possibly retest the lows from December. And if that's out, then we're going for that October lows on SPY. And now we're going to look at Triple Q. So before we start this video on Triple Q, if you want to support the channel, get all my trade ideas, 3 days of live trading, and whatever I do throughout the day in the stock market, I share all that in real time. Definitely check out the Patreon. I'll leave a link down below in the description. Now here on Triple Q, only down 0.5%, and if you look at my screen, Triple Q came closer, just under 305, and then we saw that bounce, and now it's trading just below 308 to 309, below this blue line 5 SMA. So that is just one day. Tomorrow, Triple Q can get over 308, 309. We're going to see a push back up to 314 again, and that's going to be that breakout. Once we get over 314, guys, nothing's stopping Triple Q from going all the way up to 322 to close that gap on top. Now also, guys, we have seen these breakouts before, and then coming down and actually going lower. So careful here. Even though we got a bull trend on Triple Q, watch for the support 305, and also a key level here on Triple Q, orange line 13 SMA sitting at 303.38, and also, guys, the big breakout level we could be retesting at some point from here, 300, now aligned with this white line 20 SMA. So 300 is going to be key level, and below that we could be dropping here on Triple Q. And then watch out for 296, 294 to even 290. To the upside, all we need to do, break 308 to 309 right here. Blue line 5 SMA, and that holds. We're going to see a move back up to the upside, and 314 possible in the short term. And now we're going to look at IWM. So on IWM, absolutely flat day, only down 0.13% and now trading at 173.48 at the closing. Now if you look at my screen, we got a gap down here at 172.11. Also we have support at 172, blue line 5 SMA, and now we're trading just above 173.23, holding on to orange line 13 SMA, which is not positively sloping to the upside. I mean, we got all these moving averages right here on IWM declining 20 SMA, 13, 5, and even 50, guys. So IWM needs to hold 173.23 and then watch out for the gap down here at 172. Also will be a support down here. Blue line 5 SMA sitting at 172 and then 170. Below that, we could be coming all the way down to 163.91. To the upside, 173.23 can hold. We could see a push back up to 178 to retest this white line 20 SMA, and above that watch out for 180.61 to close the gap on top here on IWM. And now we're going to look at DIA. So here on Dow Jones ETF, we also got a doji indecision candle, and this thing going absolutely nowhere today, guys. Not even filling the gap down here at 322, even though came down to 322.84. Gap down here at 322.46, still open. So watch out for that going into tomorrow. Also, if you look at my screen, barely holding on to 324, right on this white line 20 SMA where we closed. So 324 is going to be key level, and also big level to break to the upside. 326, then we're going to see a move all the way up to 330 to even 334. To the downside, watch out for this gap down here at 322, and below that we could be retesting 318 again here on IWM. And once we break 318, guys, there is a possibility, I mean, this looks like a bear flag, we could be coming down to 308 to close this gap down here on DIA. And now we're going to look at VIX. So on VIX, it's down 2.77%, and if you look at my screen, just closing right here at the support 20. So that's gonna be key level, guys. I mean, we have seen massive moves here on VIX from getting a bounce right here from 20 bucks. So that's gonna be key level to watch. But below that, market could be rallying back up to the upside. I mean, this thing breaks 20, we're going to see a flush all the way down to 18. Now, if this thing can spike from 20, I mean, we saw a move here on VIX today. I mean, look at this, how we got rejected. 21.46 exactly, where we have negatively sloping 5 SMA on this daily chart on VIX, and we got rejected today, and now it's trading at 20. So $20 on VIX needs to hold. If not, we're going to see market going back up to the upside and VIX flushing all the way down to 18. VIX needs to break 21.46, 23 bucks, and then this thing will be out of the woods, and we're going to see more upside on VIX and more downside here in the market. And that's all I have for you guys tonight.